Hello everyone, I am Anirudh from ENH iSecure. In this session, we will be discussing the concept of machine identity management. Our agenda will focus on what is a machine account and machine identity, why organizations in this day and age require machine identity management, SailPoint's machine identity security solution, how to classify, map, and certify access of machine accounts using machine identity security, and what are its advantages. Finally, we will end the session with some concluding statements. Let's have a closer look at what the terms machine account and machine identity mean. A machine account can be any non-human user in an application, such as a service account, bot, or RPA, which stands for Robotic Process Automation. These accounts can be difficult to manage and govern in a standalone environment, considering the lack of ownership and effective ways to control and manage their access. A machine identity, on the other hand, is a representation of a machine account or a group of machine accounts in SailPoint Identity Security Cloud. It can be an application such as Active Directory under which several machine accounts are correlated, or it can be an individual machine account as well. Machine identities help simplify IAM, which stands for Identity and Access Management, as well as IGA, which stands for Identity Governance and Administration, processes for machine accounts. Here we have a diagram of machine accounts in various applications such as Active Directory, SAP, and Web Service application. All of these machine accounts are read into SailPoint Identity Security Cloud, where they can be managed and governed under a single platform. Let's talk about why machine identities management is required in this day and age. These are some insights shared by SailPoint. 83% organizations experienced at least one machine account takeover in the past year. 72% of identity security professionals say machine identities are more difficult to manage than human identities. 68% of identity security professionals say machine identities require more manual maintenance over human identities. And 69% of organizations have at least twice as many machine identities as they have human identities. This gives us a clear picture as to how AI, automated scripts, and robotic processes are taking over the workplace, which signifies the difficulty as well as importance of managing these machine accounts. This is where SailPoint's machine identity security jumps in. It offers a robust set of features to discover any accurately configured machine account on any source, classify these accounts as machine accounts by using an account attribute or set of attributes. For an example, in Active Directory, if there are machine accounts containing the word bot in their SAM account name, we can use this account attribute to classify these accounts as machine accounts in SailPoint. We can assign a human owner to a machine account. This human owner will be responsible for reviewing the access held by the machine account in a certification campaign. We can correlate the machine accounts to machine identities, as well as certify the machine account's access using certification campaigns. Let's take a look at how we can classify machine accounts in SailPoint Identity Security Cloud. We will have a detailed demo in a later video showcasing the full features of SailPoint Machine Identity Security. In order to classify machine accounts, make sure that we are logged in as an admin user in our tenant. Then navigate to Admin tab, Connections, Sources subtab, and select the source containing the machine accounts you want to classify. In the source configuration page, select the Classification subtab under Machine Accounts tab in the left-hand side of the page, as highlighted in the screenshot. Select Enable Classification toggle and mention the classification criteria under Classification Configuration heading. Click on Process Classification button to apply the changes. Let us now see how to map machine accounts. In the source configuration page, select Mapping subtab under Machine Accounts tab. Under the machine account owner heading, select either account to identity or account to account option to map the machine accounts to a human owner. The account to identity option maps an account attribute of a machine account containing the details of a human identity to a corresponding human identity attribute. The identity which matches this criteria will be automatically assigned as the owner. The account to account option maps an account attribute of a machine account which contains the details of a human account to a corresponding human account attribute. The identity which is correlated with this human account will automatically be assigned as the owner. Under the machine identity heading, select the account attribute containing the name of an application or service if your organization maintains application data. This will create a machine identity with the name of the application or service and will correlate all machine accounts matching the attribute value to this particular identity. If your organization does not maintain application specific data, you can leave this field blank and SailPoint will create partial machine identities out of each and every machine account. Finally, click Save, navigate to the Classification subtab and click on Process Classification button to apply the changes. Let's now take a look at how we can manually update human owners to the machine accounts. So we have to navigate to the Admin tab, go to the Identity Management, Accounts, and select the Machine Accounts subtab. Select the machine account for which we want to update the owner and click on the Actions column. Select Update Account and select the owner identity which we need to map under the Account Owner section and click on Apply. Let's now take a look at how we can certify the machine accounts. First, we need to make sure that we are logged in as admin or cert admin user in the tenant. Navigate to the Search tab and select the icon for certification campaigns, which is the third icon in the left-hand side toolbar as highlighted in the screenshot. Click the New Campaign button. Select Machine Accounts from the certification options and select the source for which you certify or want to certify machine accounts. Fill in the campaign details and click Review Campaign button to generate the preview of the campaign. There are several advantages of using SailPoint Machine Identity Security. It provides clear visibility and insights on all machine accounts. It provides tools to automate the management of machine accounts. Human owners can be assigned to machine accounts, which ensures accountability, risk detection, and risk mitigation. Last but not least, it also allows access reviews via certification campaigns to ensure that machine accounts have the least privileged access required to do their tasks. To conclude, there is very clearly a rapid expansion in the population of machine accounts throughout the world. Machine accounts generally pose a greater risk than human accounts. So to address these challenges, SailPoint Machine Identity Security assists organizations to effectively classify, manage, and govern machine accounts from any source. That's all for this session. Please follow our socials to stay up to date with the latest technology content. Thank you.